Here we are removing what is left of the original Luminous markers on this 50-year-old watch. We always make sure that we remove everything and that the dial is very clean. If you are applying these markers to a dial that has texture, like a waffle dial, I would recommend that you put slow dry epoxy, like 10-minute slow dry, so that way you can make any adjustments after you put all the markers. Here we are cleaning it, and the next thing we do is with a knife, with the tip of a knife, has to be very pointy and very sharp, and with the tip of the blade you're going to lift up the marker from the white release paper. That's how the markers come in. So you see that that blade right there is very pointy, and make sure it goes right under the metal base. Those markers have a metal base of 0.06 millimeters thick. So as you can see, pick it up with a toothpick, just drop it on the dial, and you go all the way around until you position the 12 markers. Now I'm making the adjustments, and after you make the adjustments, then you press on top of the marker just a little bit. And here we have the results. Here's the watch with brand new C3 Luminous markers from Watch Designing. Any questions? Please feel free to ask. Thank you so much.